Coffee industries in the last 5 years had grown so fast. You can always see a coffee shop in almost every corner of a city in your country. One of the most popular menu is Caffe Latte. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make Caffe Latte using Rock Espresso Maker and Bellman milk. Originally comes from Italy in 17th century, Caffe Latte spreads rapidly all around the world among the coffee enthusiasts. Caffe latte basically is a coffee-based drink made primarily from espresso and steamed milk. It consists of 1/3 espresso, 2/3 steamed milk, and about 1 centimeter of foam. The term caffe latte comes from Italian, which simply means coffee milk.
And today I will show you how to make caffe latte using this little magic from Espresso maker.
First ingredient that you need is coffee, obviously. I use Sofia blend from Wiki Coffee Roastery, consists of 30% Java Temanggung Robusta and 70% Flores and Arabica. Next, you need fresh milk. Either you can buy it from supermarket or go to your local milk farm. And as long as it says fresh milk, not full cream, that is fine. Rock espresso maker, Bellman milk frother, water boiler, coffee grinder, tamper, a 12-ounce glass, milk jug, and scale. Now let's start. First, prepare the frother, since it takes time to build up the pressure inside. Next, boil your water. To make a good espresso, you need to boil it until at least 93 centigrade so the espresso won't be under-extracted. Grind your coffee. The finest level should be right, not too coarse or too fine, and it depends on your grinder machine. And now temp it. Remember, don't do it too hard or too weak because it will affect your espresso extraction. Put it into your rockpresso. Take your scale and put your glass below the portafilter. And now add the water to the water chamber. Remember, the more water you add inside the water chamber, the higher the pressure would be. And lift the lever all the way up slowly so you don't spill the water. Wait for a couple seconds. Give a little pump and press it all the way down slowly. You don't want to do it too fast because it will affect the espresso extraction. When you reach 30 gram or 45 gram, stop. Take your glass off and dump the excess water inside. And now let's go froth the milk. Basically, frothing the milk is to create foam. The thickness level depends on your beverage's type. This is what makes cappuccino and cafe latte different. I'm not really good at frothing actually, but I usually do it like this, slightly to the left. You want to hear slurpy sound at first and have a whirl after. And then you want to stop when your milk is hot enough or your hands in the milk jug can't handle it anymore. Alright folks, that's all from me. I hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial video, and goodbye, see ya!